So let's get start with the topic. This is Joint Entrance Main Physics Question Paper 2019. Here, if the angular momentum of a planet of mass m, angular momentum of a planet of mass m, let us repeat this. Angular momentum of a planet of mass m moving around the sun. This planet moving around the sun in a circular orbit is L. Angular momentum, this angular momentum of a planet moving around the sun is L. This is the angular momentum. Here, this is the angular momentum of a planet. So, a planet is moving. If this is sun, a planet is moving. This is planet. This is the planet moving around the sun in a circular orbit of angular momentum L about the center of the sun, So if the mass of this planet is m and if the mass of the sun is capital M, then we can write its aerial velocity. Aerial velocity means d dt of area. d dt of area A is equals to angular momentum divided by total mass. Angular momentum divided by total mass. So this is the aerial velocity. dA dt is equals to, if small m is equals to capital M, then this L is divided by 2 small m. Here the mass of sun is not mentioned, so we take this m is equals to capital M. If the mass is mentioned here, then this formula is for the aerial velocity. This is the L by small m plus capital M. So in this question, the option 3 is correct option for the aerial velocity. So if you have any query about this question, please comment in the comment section and WhatsApp us in this number. The number is 98367 93076. This is 93076. The number is 98367 93076. For any query, please WhatsApp us or comment in the comment box. So that's all for today.